All right, today we're gonna do refried beans, and check this out. Before you start doing anything, make sure you clean them like you see it and soak them. So you gotta soak them for quite a few. It depends, we do them for like an hour or two. So soak them in water and clean them. All right, you have to. Back in the days, you had to remove all the pebbles, all the stuff, but there's still stuff in here because the machines are not that thorough. Clean them, just clean them. Bouillon. Hey, so here we have them. We put in water, we put in garlic, salt, and then we put in onions, but we also have to put some chicken bouillon. Here it is. Not too much, not too much, just a little bit for the taste and flavor. And we're gonna cook for a couple hours.
Like this much?
Yep, that's good. We're not really Mexican. We don't have a pot yet. We're broke. All right, this is gonna cook about 4 hours, but just to give you guys a tip, you're gonna have to keep adding water. All right, so keep adding water, low temperature, keep adding water in about 3 to 4 hours, depending on your heat. It should be done, but keep checking them and constantly be moving them once in a while. Make sure that the bottom kernels get the same amount as the top. And that's about it. Traditionally, this is made in a different kind of pot, but today we're using this. All right, after 4 hours of cooking, I got one of them out to taste it, and it's ready to go. So we're just gonna turn it off, let them cool off, and tomorrow we're ready to make refried beans. So we're gonna turn them off. They're ready to go. So let them cool off, but they're still cooking, so take them off the actual stove side. All right, if you guys can see it, they're supposed to be like this. Don't let them burst. All right, so they're a little hot. They have to lose the color. Make sure you don't see the stripes. And we're ready to go.